Okay, let's talk about getting gas. So let's pretend I've used my credit card. I slide it in here. I put my numbers in. Boop, 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 boop. And you want to be careful. The green is diesel. A lot of people make that mistake. So I'm getting 87 octane. You know, tell me what your gas prices are in the area. Here in where I'm from, it's $2.69 for unleaded. It's $3.09 for unleaded plus, and if you're driving, driving really good high performance vehicle, it's $3.60. So I'm hitting 87 octane. Pumps reset. You don't want to point this at yourself or you will spray yourself. So I put it here into the nozzle and then I squeeze it and lock it down. Also, you got to look around, right? You see the price of gasoline where I'm from. If you use credit, you get charged 10 cents more. Cash is always king. So I'm looking around. You always want to look around to your surroundings. You don't want to be vulnerable. Doesn't matter if you're in the city or the country, rural or urban. So you just want to look around and check your surroundings. You want to be safe. You don't want to look like a little scared rabbit, but you don't want people walking up on you. And that's the advice, that I can give you. And, the pump's going to stop. I got, about 3.6 gallons. It's going to stop at $10, which is fine. That's enough to get me to where I need to go. And then once it stops, you unclick it. You could do a little shake. You want to hold the nozzle up. Don't hold it down or gas will leak out on you and you'll smell like gas. You put it back into the proper location, close the door. Always look around, always check. So that was like a gas station tutorial. You always want to be aware. If you felt this brought you value, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, subscribe.